Hello everybody, this is chapter 12, Making It Functional. I am here with my navigator Marvelous.
Hello.
So making it functional, this chapter was basically about making a train move in your browser. We got the codes and stuff and we had to fix a few errors and bugs to obviously make it how we wanted it to. So here, as you can see, here's a little train. So an example is when you click it, it starts. The more you click it, the faster it should move. It's very slow at the beginning until it actually picks up some speed, right? And then you get an alert pop up. This page says, ooh, you can click OK, and then it resets. So also, another example is if you click it, you want it to go. We have a stop button, train stops. Then you can obviously reset it or carry on. So in your JavaScript, you've got your code. So the train speed starts out. Every time the train picks up some speed, it will appear in your console if you have that open. So one of the bugs we had to fix was the alert. It was only supposed to pop up when the train actually met the end. Otherwise, it would appear when the train got here, and then it would just keep going. So this function, reset train and the stop train, was basically just to stop the train from moving further than this point. Because in the original code, we could click it, keep going, it would basically crash. We couldn't stop it, and it would just go out the train tracks, basically. So that is the function of these, to reset it and keep it going. Now the frame is this. Obviously this also involves CSS, but we did not deal with CSS. We only did JavaScript. And these two white lines here function as, I'd probably say, the railways for the train. Let me see if I can do an example quickly. I think it was this one. These two I need to comment out and that. So okay. So if I can click this, and it keeps going, then I click OK, nothing happens, just stays there. So obviously it won't go further, but it will keep popping up. Hence the two functions here. So those were put in basically for the train to reset itself and stop and reset. We also did a different kind of function earlier as an example, which was function greet math, just so we knew that functions did more than just a lot. Well, the functions do a lot of things. So if we go to inspect, let's go Control S. No, that's not Control S. Control S. Refresh. We'll go to our console. Now we can go greet math. Now this basically functions as a calculator, as you can see here in our VS Code. You got your random variables. And then the plus there will basically plus it up. I'm assuming you can change it to times or division, multiplication, division. But let's go 77, 66, enter, and there you'll get your answer. So that's also what we went over today, just learning that functions can do a lot more. Anything you'd like to add, Marvelous?
Nothing to add.